Hi guys, it's Kristin with APO Creations. I am going to try this Supernova technique that I watched on Petra Youngblood's channel. I will be using, the colors I'm going to be using are Octopus Fluids Carrot, and then Resin Dye Purple from Resiners. Also from Resiners, the Bright Blue, and the Sapphire. And then I'm going to do a combination of the Vanishing Blueberry and the Vanishing Lilac from Simply Sarah. And then I'm going to use my Enoki White for the white. And both of these I got from Laura at Laura's Art Corner. So let me separate. I'm just going to do this off camera because I don't have enough room right here. into this, where did I put it? Oh, it's right next to me. I'm going to be doing the Magic Diamond Purple, but just a smidge. So I am, where's my spoon? Gonna put some of this Silver Dollar Chunky Glass Glitter into the middle. I'm just gonna push that down. Not with that. I'm going to let some of these bubbles come up, and in the meantime, I'm just going to take the remnants of what is in these other cups and just drizzle them around this. Time for demold. But before I demold, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. And I hope that 2026 brings you all the joy and blessings that you deserve. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one first because, you know, it was an extra. I do like that pattern. That looked pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, that is pretty cool. I like that. Although I'm gonna have to do a top coat. That is awesome. I like that. Here, let me put this over here because it's right in the light. Okay. Dun, da, 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 da. I love this. Now I know Petra does all of these because they're so cool looking. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I love it. Oh, wow. This is fantastic. Oh, it's my new favorite coaster. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I do have to make sure, though, when I do the next one, excuse me, I need to make sure that the white, I have to add a little bit of either the bloom paste from Julie over at Pouring Your Heart Out, or maybe my dip-on white that I have. I think it's Ocean Waves or something, because it's not, it wasn't heavy enough to drop. So, but that is just gorgeous. Oh, I'm so pleased with that. What do you guys think? What do you think, Petra? Did I do it any kind of justice? This is just stunning. Oh, I am so pleased. Now I'm going to try it again with different colors. Oh, so beautiful. Although the blue and the yellow merged in some spots to make green, but I think it made it look even better. Oh God, that is so gorgeous. Okay, let me stop. So here are my coasters. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of them. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And for those of you that are, I truly appreciate every single one of you and all of the support that you give me with your kind comments. I'll put the QR codes up for the subscription and the Buy Me a Coffee. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you for the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.